Hello and good day, grade 6. So, how are you today? So, I hope you're doing good, great, and you're doing fine. So, today we will learn about questions and responses and forms. Okay, so teacher, what is questions and what is responses and what is form? Okay, so this is the time you're asking me. Okay, now you're asking what is the question, so you make a questions. Okay, so that is a questions when the time you ask. And what is responses, teacher? Of course, that is the time when you're answering the questions. And what is the form? So the form when you make a questions like noun, WH questions, do, does, or did, or have, has, or had. So that is the form. So let me show you here. Okay, so we have here questions and responses and forms. So for the questions, we have WH question plus be verb plus demonstrative pronoun plus noun. Okay, teacher, so what is WH question? So it composed by what, who. Okay, or why, when, where. So that is WH questions. Okay, teacher, so what is be verb? So be verb is R, SR. So that is be verb. Okay, so next, demonstrative pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun, teacher? So for demonstrative pronoun, of course, that is our lesson. So we have this, these, that, those. Okay, plus noun, of course. So where is the noun, teacher? So what is the noun? So that is the name of the person, places, or things, or ideas. So we have here persons. Okay, so next we have demonstrative pronoun for the response. So this is the form. Demonstrative pronoun plus be verb plus possessive adjective plus noun. So demonstrative pronoun again, these, that, and those. Okay, that is the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, what is the be verb, teacher? S for the singular subject and R for the plural subject. So if the subject is singular or the subject is plural, you use R, but if singular, S. Okay, so we have S. We have here S, R, S, R. Okay, so possessive adjective, teacher, what is that one? Possessive adjectives is, we call it possessive adjectives, but that is part of the pronoun. So my here, my. We have his, her, so that is possessive adjective for the boy and the girl. So what is noun, teacher? Again, that is the name of the person, places, or things. So we have here the carrots, the pillows, the table, the classmates. Okay. So first we have what is this? Okay, you see what is this? So the hand is touching the carrot. What is this? So it's asking what is this? So you must to say, you must to respond, this is my carrot. So why, teacher, we need to respond this one? Because we use this for one subject, so it's pointing one subject. And we use is because this is a singular. Okay, the carrot is only one subject, and my because that is the ownership of you. So this is belongs to you, these carrots. And carrot, so this one here is the noun, carrot without S. Okay, because this is a singular. Okay, so we have here WH question, what, and to be verb is. Okay, and we have this for the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, where is the noun, teacher? No, it's okay without noun here because the noun here will be here. Okay, so we have the noun here, persons. Okay, so here, what is this? Is only the sentence or the questions. And for the response, we have this for the demonstrative pronoun. And we have S for the be verb. So this is a singular subject. And we have my for the possessive adjective. So it's belong to you. So the carrot. So what belongs to me, teacher? The carrot. Okay, carrot is a noun. Okay, so this is singular noun without S. Okay, so next we have what are these? Okay, so these are my pillows. So if you see this, we use this because why we use this? Because it's more than one. So it's pointing or touching more than one. Okay, object. Okay, so this one here is the pillow, pillows. So we use this, and we use are because the subject is more than one, and the pillow is my because this is a possessive adjective my, so it's belongs to you, so it's ownership of you. And pillows, so pillows with S. Why we have S, teacher? Why in here carrot don't have S? So here we have S because this is a plural noun. Okay, so it's have S. Okay, next, what is that? Okay, here, if you see it's far away and we're talking about one table. So we have the response here. That is my table. Okay, that is my table. Okay, so table here is only one, so we use that because that is used for pointing the subject or the object far away if it is a singular or only one. So this is, so we use is because this is a singular subject we're talking here. Table is only one. And my because the table is belongs to you. And table, of course, why we don't have S teacher? Because this is a singular noun, okay? Table. Okay, so next we have who are those persons? Okay, who are those persons? So here we choose those because it's far away. Those far away, and we're talking about a lot of person here. So more than one. So here, if you see, this one is the perfect form here because we have WH question, who, and we have be verb are for the subject plural, and we have those for the demonstrative pronoun here, those. Okay, and we have the noun, persons. Okay, so this is a perfect form, so we use this perfect form here. So who are those persons? So you must to answer, those are my classmates. Those are my classmates. So this one here, it means that they are your classmates. So you are in the one section or you are in the one grade. So those are my classmates. Okay, so we have here more examples. So again, so the question here, what is this? Okay, so what is this? Again, we use this. So this is a tomato. So if you see, we use this because it touches the tomato. So it's only one tomato. So we use this and it's near. And is because this is singular, okay? Singular subject. We're talking about tomato, only one tomato. Now, why this is not my, or why this is not possessive adjective, teacher? I changed it to article because if you know the English, if you learn the English, sometimes you can change some form. Example, from possessive adjective, I changed this one to articles. So what is article? So that is the an, or the. Okay, the. So this one here, is the indefinite article, and the is the definite. So what do you mean about indefinite? So not sure. Okay, it's not sure, or it's not specific. Sorry, so that is not specific, and the is super specific. So that is the specific. So it's called definite. Okay, definite article. So okay, so here we have this. Okay, so this is, what is this? So this is a tomato. This is a tomato because this is a tomato. Okay, so tomato, we don't put es because it's singular noun, and we use s here is because this one is only one. Okay, and this because it's near and we're pointing one subject. Okay, so next we have who are these persons? Who are these persons? So you see the hand, who are these persons? So we can answer or respond, these are our families. So this is not belongs to you. So this is not your families. Okay, so these are our families. Okay, these are our families. Okay, so why we not use an here? So sometimes you can see an article an because the last word here, or the first word or letter, is a consonant. Okay, f consonant, that is consonant. The an we use only for vowels. Okay, so next. So again, this because it's near. Okay, and it pointing more than one person. So we use are because more than one subject. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 people here, persons, and a for article, and families. Okay, families because we have s here in the last part because this is a plural noun. Okay, next, what is that? Okay, what is that? So that is a restaurant, of course, from your vocabulary here. That's why we learn the vocabulary so that you will know the answer. So restaurant, okay, here in the picture. So that is a restaurant. Okay, so restaurant. So that is a restaurant. Okay, restaurant. That is a restaurant. Okay, so teacher, why we use that? Because it's far away and we're talking about one subject, which is the restaurant. It's not a lot of restaurant, but only one. So we use that, and is because the subject here we're talking, restaurant, is one, and article a because the next letter is consonant. So restaurant, and restaurant without S here. Why without S? Because it's a singular noun. Next, what are those places? So what are those places? Okay, so it's talking here. What are those places? So those are the temples. Okay, temples. Okay, so we have here again. So we learn the picture in vocabulary so that you will know what is that, what is in the picture. Okay, so what is the name in the picture? So we have here in the vocabulary temples. Okay, temples. So we have the vocabulary temples. Okay, that one here. Okay, so those are the temples. Why you use the here, teacher? Why not a? So I use that to show you that um, the articles is not only a. So we have the da and an. So da is the definite, so it means it's sure. This is really sure that this is a temple. You cannot find another thing like this. So this is only a temple. You can see. You can see only this one in the temple. Okay, so those because it's far away and we're talking about one, two, three. Three. Okay, three subject here. And R because it's more than one subject. So temples is a lot. One, two, three. Three temples. And temples with S because it's a plural noun. Okay, so that is temple. So those are the temples. So that is how you respond. So what are those places? Those are the temples. Okay, so that is our lesson for today, class. And thank you so much.